Welcome. This is how to fix iPhone green light on your camera. So guys, if you have a green light on your camera, it means that your camera is turned on. So guys, if you want to turn it off, what you could try to do is just simply go to the notification bar or control center by swiping from the top. And now from here, you should be able to see here the icon, camera, and microphone. So go ahead and tap on that. Now from here, guys, you should be able to see who is using your camera. That's why it's color green. So my camera is using by my camera application and my microphone as well. So if you are having problem with the other app, to change that, you could just simply go to the settings and then you could just simply go for the privacy over here and security. And now over here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the camera, and you should be able to see all of the applications that are using your camera, and you could just simply turn off the specific ones to fix the issue. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.